Behind me is emergency works taking place along the corridor of Spanish Town Road at the intersection of Industrial Terrace. Now, residents would have noted the unbearable issues related to a sewage leak in this area over the past 6 weeks. We have been working with residents and constantly clearing the blockage in and around the area to ensure that we're able to bring about resolution for residents. Now, behind me is the initial work, which will see some emergency repairs to the surface to allow for free flowing of traffic. But we'll also, as of today, be breaking ground between Beeston Street and Water Street on 580 meters of replacement pipeline, which will see 12-inch PVC pipe being relayed to remove the old asbestos pipes which have collapsed along this area. Now, downtown Kingston is known to have significant damage to sewage lines because many of these pipes are older than I am. But we are moving quickly to restore normalcy to the area with an initial investment of over 80 million Jamaican dollars. And we expect it to be a part of some $490 million of investment to be made in this area starting in April. So over the last 3 years, we've invested some $500 million in improvement of sewage flows in this area. This is a continuation of that investment. 80 million initially, as is being seen behind me, but a further 490 million to be made in April of this year. It means better living conditions. It means less sewage leaks. It means your government is investing in improving what is a bad situation. A situation that should have been resolved decades ago, but that we're making the investment now. Well, everyone who is traveling along Spanish Town Road morning and afternoon during high peak time can expect some delays over the coming weeks. But we ask them to bear with us as we do have to make the investment to ensure that all the citizens that live and work in this area are not exposed to raw sewage.